Ramanujan Maths Academy.
Welcome to Ramanujan Maths Academy. After completing two chapters from part first, today we are going to start first chapter from part 2, that is geometry. So let us start with similarity. Before starting the actual topic, you should know ratio and proportion. Yes, you have seen ratio and proportion in ninth standard as well as in earlier standards, but still we will recall it first. So let's recall. So here is the ratio and proportion. First of all, we will see ratio. Ratio is used to compare the quantities of two different categories like the ratio of boys to girls in the class. अब आपको पता है रेशो किस तरह लिखते हैं. अगर कोई क्लास में 3 बॉयज है और 4 गर्ल्स है तो उसको हम किस तरह लिखेंगे 3:4. ओके, और 3/4 इस फॉर्म में हम उसको लिखते हैं. अब देखते हैं प्रोपोर्शन. Proportion is used to find out the quantity of one category over the total, like the proportion of boys of class out of total students in the class. अब total students में girls भी आएंगी और boys भी आएंगे, उसमें से हमको boys का निकालना है, तो इस तरह से इसको करेंगे. One more thing is that proportion states the equality of two ratios or fractions. Okay, so ये किस तरह से है, अगर 3:4 ओके और 3/4 विच इज इक्वल टू 6/8. ओके, इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं 3:4 विच इज इक्वल टू 6:8. अब ये एक रेशो है और ये दूसरा रेशो. जब ये दो रेशो इक्वल होंगे तब हम उनको बोलेंगे कि ये दो रेशो प्रोपोर्शन में है. ओके, 3:4 इज इक्वल टू 6:8. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, आप यहाँ पर जब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको ये मिल जाएगा और इसको 2 से डिवाइड करने के बाद में आपको ये मिल जाएगा. तो इस तरह से रेशो और प्रोपोर्शन हमने ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड्स में देखा है. तो अब इसका कंक्लूजन क्या है, तो कंक्लूजन है द रेशो इज द कंपैरिजन ऑफ टू नंबर्स. ओके, रेशो मतलब दो नंबर्स की कंपैरिजन है. व्हाइल प्रोपोर्शन इज नथिंग बट एन एक्सटेंशन ओवर रेशो which states that two ratios or fraction are equivalent. Now we will start our actual topic. Now starting our actual topic, that is ratio of areas of two triangles. So here are two triangles given ABC and PQR. So let us find the ratio of areas of any two triangles. So example, in triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. Okay, and in triangle PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base. Okay, so we will denote it first of all. Okay, this BC we will denote it by B1. Okay, base B1, and height AD we will denote it by H1. Okay, now in triangle PQR, QR is the base, so B2, and PS is the height, so H2. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड रेशो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स. ओके, हमको उनका रेशो पता करना है, किस चीज का, एरिया का रेशो पता करना है. सो लिखेंगे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर. ओके, नाउ you know formula of area of triangle, that is 1/2 base into height. Okay, now this formula is not new for you, so 1/2 base into height is the area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2. Now here base is what, BC. Okay, can I write it directly, B1? So here B1 into height is AD, that is H1. Okay, 1/2 B1 into H1 divided by, now area of triangle PQR, here 1/2 base is B2 and height is H2. Okay, B2 into H2. Now 1/2 cancels out, so what remains here, B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So it is the ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR. So we get one conclusion here, that is the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of products of their bases and corresponding heights. Now we will see some conditions in it. So first condition is given, that is when heights are equal. So here are two triangles ABC and PQR and their heights are equal. Okay, here is H and H, AD and PS. Now we will denote their bases by B1 and B2. Okay, B1 and B2. Now we have to find their areas or ratio of their areas, isn't it? So writing it here, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, which is equal to, now area of triangle ABC is, now see, you know that 1/2 cancels out, so only base into height, so I will directly write it BC, base is BC into H, okay, upon next triangle PQR, base is QR into height is same, so H again, okay. Now BC we denoted it by B1, isn't it, B1 into H upon B2, QR we denoted it by B2, so B2 into H. Now here same term is H, so it is cancelled out. So what is remained here, B1 upon B2 only, okay, B1 upon B2. So so ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 and B1 upon B2, or B1 is to B2. Okay, so our property is that the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now second condition, in condition first height is equal, now in condition 2 bases are equal. So figure is here, triangle ABC is given and triangle APB is given, okay, heights H1 and H2 are different and base is same, that is AB, okay. Now we find their ratio of their areas. So first triangle is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB, area of triangle APB, which is equal to, now base is AB for ABC into height is H1, that is CD, okay, upon, now same base is there, AB into H2, height is H2 of triangle APB. Now you know that AB will cancel out since it is same, so what remains here, H1 upon H2 only, that is ratio of heights. So ratio of area of triangle ABC is to ratio of area of triangle APB is equal to H1 upon H2. So we get next property, that is the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay. Let us see some examples. Now example first, in adjoining figure, AE is perpendicular to segment BC and segment DF is perpendicular to line BC. And AE is given, AE is 4, that is, it is the height of first triangle, and DF is equal to 6, it is height of second triangle 6, okay. Then we have to find the ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DBC, okay. Now in solution, okay, before writing solution, now you can see here that bases are equal, okay, bases are equal. So according to our condition 2, okay, if bases of both triangles are equal, then their areas are proportional to heights. So we will write here directly area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle DBC, which is equal to AE. AE is the height, that is 4, okay, AE upon DF, okay, according to condition 2. So AE is 4 and DF is 6. So now you know that we write the ratios in reduced form. So 2 to the 4 and 2 3 the 6. Okay, or you can write 2 is to 3. So ratio of areas of triangle ABC to area of triangle DBC is 2 upon 3 or 2 is to 3. Next example is in triangle ABC, point D on side BC is such that DC is equal to 6. Okay, DC is equal to 6 and BC is 15. This whole segment BC is what? It is 15. Okay. Then find area of triangle ABD to area of triangle ABC. Okay, we have to find their ratios. And second ratio is area of triangle ABD to area of triangle ADC. So one more thing you should understand here, that here is these bases are collinear. Okay, and heights are equal. Okay, heights are equal. So according to our condition 1, that if the heights of both triangles are equal, then proportion of their ratio is to their corresponding bases. So according to that, first of all we write area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is to area of triangle ABC. Okay, now since according to our condition first, here bases are different but height is same, so when height is same we take the proportion of their bases. Okay, so which is equal to, now here in triangle ABD what will be there, BD. Okay, BD upon what is the base of ABC, it is BC. Okay, but BD is not given to us, so first of all we find the value of BD. Here you can see in figure BD is not given, question mark, but BC is given, which is equal to 15, as well as DC is given, which is 6. So to find value of BD, we subtract BC minus DC, okay, which is equal to 15 minus 6, and 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So we got the value of BD as 9. Okay, so substituting it here, so 9 upon, now value of BC is given already, so it is 15. So now reducing this ratio, so 9 upon 15 dividing it by 3, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. So first ratio of the areas is 3:5. Now next one, area of triangle ABD, area of triangle ABD to area of triangle ADC. Okay, in figure you can see it. So here base of ABD is BD, you know that, upon, now base of ADC is DC. Okay, so DC is given to us and we know BD, so BD is 9 and DC is 6, so its reduced form will be 3 upon 2. Okay, dividing it by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So here is our answer. Now question number 3, in figure BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB, means what, means base is same. Okay, base is equal, then BC is equal to 4, so this BC, this height of first triangle is 4 and AD is 8. Okay, so height of second triangle is 8. Then find, okay, we have to find their ratios. Since bases are equal, we write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB, which is equal to BC, this is height of first triangle, and AD, it is height of second triangle. Value of BC is 4 and value of AD is 8, so 4 upon 8 is 1 upon 2. Okay, so it is their ratio, triangle ABC and area of triangle ADB. Okay, question number 4, base of triangle is 9 and height is 5, base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6, find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Now one thing is here that figure is not given for this question and we don't require it. Okay, so what is given first, here are two triangles given. Okay, so I will write it here T1. Okay, for triangle 1. So first we will write given data, what is there, base of a triangle is 9. Okay, and height is 6, height is 5, sorry. So base of a triangle is 5, so B1 is equal to 9 and H1 is equal to 5. And of triangle 2, base of another triangle is 10. Okay, B2 is 10 and height H2 is 6. Okay, so find the ratio of areas of this triangle. So one thing you know, that ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. So I am denoting it that first triangle, that area of first triangle. Okay, A1 upon A2, area of second triangle, which is equal to, according to our formula, B1 into H1. Okay, and B2 into H2. Okay, now substituting value, so A1 upon A2, which is equal to, what is B1? 9, and H1 is 5, so 9 into 5 upon B2 is 10, and H2 is 6, which is equal to 9 5 is 45 and 10 6 is 60. Now we write it in reduced form, so dividing this numerator and denominator by 15, so 15 3 is 45 and 15 4 is 60. Okay, so 3:4, therefore A1 is to A2 is equal to 3:4. Okay, so the ratio of areas of the triangles is 3:4. Hope you have understood all the examples.
Thank you for watching रामानुजन मैथ्स अकेडमी। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कीजिए। लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर। Join WhatsApp group 7030021604।